This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group, and after the huge rally we saw yesterday, we're seeing the market take somewhat of a breather today. Now, the Dow is down, but most of that is due to one stock, Boeing. S&P has pretty much hovered around the flat line all day today. This is just on the heels of yesterday's brand new all-time record close at 2802.56. Now, what's going to happen next? Well, the volatility is actually up a little bit here going into some decision that's going to be made hopefully over the next 24 hours or so based on the government shutdown for the weekend. But looks like we're having a lot of, maybe a lot of retail investors trying to position themselves ahead of that in case something really doesn't happen. But in addition to volatility, really being up while the market is up, which is truly an aberration, we're also seeing the 10-year really get high, as high as it's been in quite some time here, above 2.6. So a couple metrics there to really watch out for. Now, with yesterday's huge rally, it was an incredibly busy option day here in the ES mini complex. In fact, open interest for ES futures and options are almost at 12 million, which is the highest it has been in months. Yesterday, almost 1 million ES option contracts traded just by themselves. 66% on the put side, 34% on the call side. The leading volume options that traded yesterday, March 2850 calls, March 2685 puts, and then for this month, the EW end of month 3, January 2470 puts. So, watch those. But again, extreme option activity yesterday. With volatility, with the spike that we've seen here, to the end of the day tomorrow, the S&P option contracts are suggesting a move of about $14, and going out to next Friday, that move is priced in at about $32. That's higher than we typically see, and that's because of this spike up in volatility that we've seen this week. Now, let's get over and talk about Bitcoin futures here at the CME. We all know what's going on with the news coming out of Asia, coming out of China, South Korea. What are they going to do with their cryptocurrency exchanges? Is there going to be regulation? Are they going to get shut off altogether? And that has put the crypto markets and Bitcoin futures here into somewhat of a frenzy. More volatility than we have seen in the last few weeks or so. In fact, just today, we've seen a range in Bitcoin futures here at the CME from 10,645 up to 12,025. But if we backtrack and include yesterday, that low yesterday was all the way down at 92.25. Range yesterday was 92.25 up to 11,800. Record trading volumes on Bitcoin futures over the last couple days. Volatility, we'll see what happens. We know there's a rally back today. Usually what happens there is we see volatility and volume contract a little bit. We'll have to watch and see what happens. Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.